Akiarĩria ene ngari cia matatu kuma mwena wa Machakos, Wavinya Ndeti ni araugire he bata Mutua kwerethera kuria aruta mbeca cia kugacirithia kiama giake kia Maendeleo Chapchap. Wavinya ni augite ni arekwa Mutua ahuthagira mbeca cia muingi kugacirithia kiama kiu.
We know money, taxpayers' money has been diverted to fund Maendeleo Chapchap. And we have evidence, and we are willing to give that evidence that public funds have been used to fund his party.
Nake mwandiki munene wa gikundi kiu Chalo Ambua ni aroire kanya kau kumenereria utongoria wa Mutua.
What has been happening with the current county government is not acceptable to us as investors. We are a leading employer and we are not represented in the current county government.
Ni maugite gavana Mutua ni atumirite wara kweheria marihi ma ahuri a biashara aria anini niguo gukamuikiria kura. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Kamau.